Daniel, the co-founder of GTM Brigade here. I want to share with you some insane results we have on our outreach campaigns. And of course, we're using Aimfox for these outreach campaigns. But not only this, it's actually a combination between GTM Brigade, our tool, and Aimfox, and I want to share with you these results. So this is one of our campaigns where we have so far 904 invitations sent, 448 were accepted. So this gives us roughly 50% acceptance rate. But the most important thing is that out of 424 messages sent so far, we have a 141 reply rate, which is huge. Now, I'm not saying that all of these people, 141, are interested to use our tool, but roughly 40 to 50% of these people are interested right now, which gives us a lot of users day after day. A lot of people, they register for GTM Brigade and they create accounts and they become customers. This is a brilliant idea. This sounds interesting. Okay, so I'm not saying all of these 141 people are interested, but it's insane. We have 40 to 50% of them who are interested, who create an account with us, and the conversion from free to paid, it's really, really good. So I want to share with you how we are able to achieve these results. So the first thing is we do is we have a list of qualified leads. All of these people, they fit our ideal customer profile. I'm not going to go deeper into this. There are multiple ways which you can use to define an ICP list. We have this list. We include this list in GTM Brigade and we create a custom feed. What does that mean? Let's say we have 1,000 people. We include this 1,000 people. All of them, they fit our ideal customer profile. We include them in GTM Brigade. We create this custom feed. And every time these people, Laura Davis or, I don't know, Stefan Youngblood, every time these people, they make a post, we are able to see their posts here, where we don't need to scroll on LinkedIn for, I don't know, how many hours a day to find the content that is relevant to us. So we have these people who fit our ideal customer profile. Every time they make a post, we can see their posts inside GTM Brigade. And here, what we can do, we can engage with their content, okay? We can place, actually not we can, we really place, that's what we are actually doing. We place relevant comments. We don't sell in these comments. We use those comments to warm them up. So we place these comments to these people once, twice, 3 times, 5 times. And this is a great way through comments. This is one of the best ways that you can become visible for your ideal customer profile. Then we have the same list of 1,000 people. We take this list that is already warmed up by the comments, and we include the list in Aimfox, and we run these super targeted outreach campaigns, and the results are insane. And by the way, we don't use any I don't know, complicated sequence. There's actually one message per sequence. We send them only one super targeted message. And this is the reply rate that we have so far. So I wanted to share this with you. I believe there's a huge opportunity for us to join forces, because the people who use GTM Brigade, some of our customers, we already recommended them to use Aimfox, and they started using Aimfox, and they started creating this type of campaigns with very good results. And at the same time, I believe that people who already use Aimfox, they will have a great opportunity if we join forces and you spread the word about our platform. We are happy to discuss more. Of course, if this is something you'd find interesting, I would be happy to discuss more and show you in more detail how we can help your existing users to actually increase the performance of their outreach campaigns. So let me know your thoughts. Cheers.